guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Jeep. We are going to be doing the first modification for the Jeep, and that is installing a oil catch can. So I went ahead and purchased one probably about the first week I bought the Jeep, and it finally came in, and hope you can see it good. This is the catch can. It's made by UPR. It's for the 2006 to 2010 Jeep SRT8, and it even has a drainage fitting at the bottom. So it's a really cool design. Wasn't terrible in price and came really fast. Came within 2 days of buying it. So stay tuned, guys, because we're about to install it on the beast. So I got my tools. I got everything set up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the first steps to doing this is. All right. So taking a look at the engine, this is about where the catch can is going to mount. Excuse me. You have to remove the hose that runs from the intake manifold to the bottom part of the intake manifold, where this PCV valve goes. We are going to be replacing with a new PCV valve, even though this one seems to be in pretty good shape. Might as well do it because they're dumb cheap. And then this is the hose. So essentially it was set up like this. Popped off real easy. Gonna be putting on the new PCV valve hose and the catch can here in a second. Note, guys, I went ahead and turned the camera back on for this. This is where it's going to mount. It's right here. But this engine gets very hot. Look at how the harness cover is just disintegrating. I barely touched it and it just started falling apart. So I'm gonna put some black tape around it just to protect it. But yeah, this car gets very, very hot. Alright guys, so I think I have everything kind of measured out and see how I want to run it. So I'll go ahead and try and give the install a try. It fits very tight. It was very tight against. Space. She's so fucking sexy, what a goddamn mistress. 2 AM, you all up in my goddamn business. Fuck you like I told you when I hit you up that time I lied. Alright, I'm gonna undo the upper hose to do this. So I had to kind of take a step back. I had to remove this upper hose. I had to fiddle with that down there. It's very tight down there. It does like basically a 90. It's not a very good design, to be honest, but you know, factory didn't expect you to throw a big ass catch can on it, so it is what it is. Right now I'm just starting to tighten up the bolt so I can get it level. I might actually get out my level to make it level. We'll see. Eyeball with the brackets and stuff. A couple more tightens. Jamie wasn't Jamie when she drank a butter Jameson. Jamie drank a butter Jameson. Now that that's like that, get going here. Alright, so that's on. Alright, one. And now 2. Alright. Alright, piece on the bottom is still on nice and tight. Well, it's actually kind of being held up by itself right now. So I think I'm good. I think it's just time to tighten it up. Alright, one more tighten. Yeah, that's not going nowhere. Close, yep. This looks good. Tight, tight. Yeah, it's on. Alright. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this one under. Alright, that's locked in. Alright. Nice and tight. I'm gonna get the hose back out. This does come over like this. Let's get that underneath. Tight. That's on. Alright, that's back in. Alright, there it goes. Alright. Now that's on, that's on. Where's my piece? I'm going to reconnect the IET sensor. Alright, that's nice and tight. Okay, everything's back how it should be, so now I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this up. This took way longer than it should have, but I was struggling with that lower bracket for a while. So, you know, you live, you learn. Tight. All right. So it is completely done. So this is there. Put it back in. Good. Good. Right, and I was able to clean up some of the wires, so I ran it better. So now it's not in the way. I'm gonna grab my keys. Start it up. She's so fucking sexy, what a goddamn mistress. 2 a.m. you all up in my goddamn business. We're gonna start action, see if it does it. No, it won't because it hits us. Slowly you'll be mine like a motherfucking car. Chasing all my problems down the So I had to undo these wires. I hope you can hear me. This is super tight down here, as you can see. It's a really nice bend, but that's essentially how you install the UPR upper oil catch can. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna have way more videos on the Jeep now that I have it. Probably gonna be doing a lot of maintenance stuff. So here's a lot of my maintenance stuff right now. So plugs, new belt. Gonna be doing cabin air filter, just like little stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna make little videos like that for you guys, just to throw it on the channel. But yeah, man, I'm super excited to have another SRT8 Jeep. I can't wait to just keep putting more miles on it and doing more stuff to it. So stay tuned. Thanks.